I think these pigeons like us. They just surrounding me and my wife right now. Look at this one. She's like brown and white. We don't have any food, so I don't understand why they're surrounding us, but it's cool. Ain't going out. Waves crashing. Puerto Rico. I gotta hold on to this damn phone. Hold the fuck on. Here it comes. Look at the wave crashing. I gotta jump. I gotta jump. Oh, barely jump, but oh yeah. Oh shit. I got you.
Well, that's one way to write
Fucking
off.
waves don't play. Oh. Oh shit. That one moved me a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, Puerto Rico then damaged the box a little bit, the salt water, but you know, we still in the game. Exfoliate them toenails.